Hello guys, I want to make this video as engaging as possible because how I was able to make 150k for the first time in Nigeria using a free app was so amazing to me. Okay, so I'm going to be showing you guys exactly how I was able to make that amount of money. So please follow this video step by step so that you will understand everything you really need to know about making money here online using this particular app. Now, what's the name of this app? This app is a random app called OP. Yes, I repeat, OP. OP app is the app you're going to be using to make money online, but it's not that particular way you think. But let's get into the video so that you will know how. So once you download OP, go over to your Play Store or App Store, download OP, and then open OP. If you don't have an account, create an account. As you can see what is currently trending now on my account, 2.91 naira, because I've been able to transact all my money from this account over to a bank account so that I can be able to show you guys how this thing effectively and actually works. So if you come over to your OP, this is actually what you're going to be seeing here. Now you're going to be clicking on this part where it says me down here. So once I click on that part where it says me, it's going to bring me over to this. Okay, now you're going to scroll and look for where it says refer friends, but do not leave this video yet because I'm going to be showing you a hack that you're going to use to refer as much as persons so you can be able to make money here online using this app called OP. So you're going to click on this part where it says refer friends. So once I click on this part where it says refer friend, it's going to bring me over to something not far from what I should be showing you right away. Let's just wait for it to load. Please, if you enjoyed this video, like this video. Please, liking video is very important. It tells YouTube to push out this video to more other persons. Please help me like the video. What have I done now? Please help me like this video. Thanks for liking. Let's get back into the video. Okay, so what's happening here? You find out that for everybody referring to OP, you're going to get 800 now. So all you just have to do is to share your link, your friend accept your link, your friend add money, you get money. So this is how it works now. Now what you just have to do is to click on this part where it says invite friends now. So that's what you're going to be clicking on. So once I click on invite friends right now, okay, so once I click on invite friends right now, it's going to bring me over to where I'm gonna go and paste my link. So it's whether I choose WhatsApp, Facebook, or SMS message to paste your link. Now once you have pasted your link to any of these social media platforms, what's next for you to do? Go over to Facebook. Yeah, when you come over to Facebook, you're gonna search for make money online in Nigeria. Just follow this step. Make money online, okay, in Nigeria. Okay, so it's gonna bring you groups that are close to you, that's make money online groups in Nigeria. So once I click on this groups section, it's going to bring me over to here. So choose the group that has much members. So this particular group here has this 71k members, so you're going to be going with that group. I'm already a member in that group, unless you could have shown me join. But if you're not a member, just click on join. You're going to join the group. Now this is what is currently going on in this group, and as you can see, people are currently posting how to make money online on this group, and yeah, you can see this particular person has over 272 comments. Now what are we going to do in this group? You're going to come over here and then click on this part where it says write something, and then you can leave a comment like. Okay, so come over to OP, you're going to see what they wrote here. They say invite at least 10 friends, win a PS5 original JC and 8,000 naira bonus. Now you refer friends, your friends can get up to 7,630 naira welcome bonus. So that's what you're going to be writing here. So it says join and get 7,600. Okay, join and get, not he. Okay, join and get 7,630 naira sign up bonus for free. Okay, then you're gonna put this mark right here, and then maybe you might just okay, so that's fine. So you're just going to be clicking on this part where it says post. So once you click on post, your post will be held for review at the meantime, and then with time your post is going to be updated to this group, and anybody who comes across the post will love to leave a comment that they are interested, and then all you just have to do is just to copy that link you've already posted to your social media app like Facebook, Messenger, WhatsApp. Come over here and send them to use it in signing up. So when they use it in signing up, there your money is. So thanks for watching this video. I hope this video is quite educative and informative. Please, if it was, please don't forget to like this video, share this video, and also subscribe to the channel for more.